Good morning, guys. We got a lot going on this week weather-wise. Very active pattern remains. We have two separate systems heading our way in the short term, and then another one coming our way for the weekend.
Man.
Busy.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about March so far, guys. We're 18 days in, and look at the temperature spread there. Only had 3 days.
Wow.
We were above average.
It's like the complete opposite of February.
Exactly. We had to make up for it at some point, guys. And these temperatures running about 4 degrees on whole below where we should be. The outlook for the next 6 to 10 days here does still show below average temperatures, but there is some light at the end of the tunnel. See what's building in the south? A warm-up, and that's going to head our way as we get into early April, so something to look forward to. The trend over the next 7 days, very chilly. The first full day of spring on Wednesday. 38 for our high, and that's also when we expect our chances for some snow to start going up, and that's going to be given to us via a very complex two-phase storm. The first phase bringing us rain heavy at times overnight tonight in through much of tomorrow, and then with the second phase developing off the coast, it's going to pull down some colder air, catches up with lingering moisture, and we see that changeover. Very similar scenario to what we saw last week, and depending on exactly when that changeover occurs will determine how much snow we see. If it's around or after sunset, we'll see those accumulations pile up. If it's in the afternoon, it's going to be hard to get any of those accumulations, especially on the road surfaces. This afternoon, or right now I should say, I don't know what I'm talking about, 36 degrees in Smithfield, 37 in Hosky, 38 out in Norfolk, 39 Williamsburg, 35 Gatesville, and 38 in Moyock. Radar quiet right now, but satellite imagery is showing the clouds starting to build on in. Better chances of seeing some sunshine earlier today the farther north you are, and this is all thanks to our next system that is heading our way. A very complex scenario here, very widespread as well, and as it heads towards the southeast coastline, it'll hit the Gulf Stream and develop into yet again another potent coastal low. In fact, it's going to have a sister low that develops here on Wednesday, bringing us our colder influence and the possibility of snow. Here's how it looks on Futurecast. Again, clouds out there throughout today. Temperatures warming into the mid to upper 50s. A few isolated shower chances, especially to the south this afternoon, and those all kind of fill on in overnight tonight. That rain becomes widespread, heavy at times right through that morning commute tomorrow. Even the chances there for an isolated rumble of thunder. A little bit of a lull in the activity by Tuesday evening, and then it starts to fill right back on in Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning as the second system begins cranking off the coastline here, bringing us heavy rain to start, and then as it starts to pull away, it drags down the cooler air, changing us over to some snow here right along I-64 and into Hampton Roads. And depending on the exact track, how intense it is, how intense the snowfall is, it'll change. It'll really determine what we see in terms of totals. Try to get that one out. Here's how it looks on rainfall in terms of today. About 0.02 of an inch. Not a lot of rain today. Overnight tonight, though, those numbers really start to go up and over an inch, and we add even more throughout the day tomorrow and in early Wednesday. Some of these numbers are a little bit high, but still you get the idea. Pretty good soaking rain on the way for the next few days. 56 today, increasing clouds, an isolated afternoon or evening shower. Tonight down to 45. That rain will be heavy at times, and there is even the risk of an isolated storm well to the south. And there's your 7-day forecast. Very unsettled as we head on into the spring season, and very chilly. 38 for your high on Wednesday, and then we get a break. Pick of the week going to be Friday because that's pretty much the only option we got. Then by the weekend, rain builds back on in, and with cold air once again coming on in, it could end as a wintry mix.